Namaste and a very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to the site of Health Umbrella Foundation. I will briefly explain to you what this Health Umbrella project is all about. If you see around in our society, you will find that a large number of people are suffering from chronic diseases. Some diseases are simpler in nature, like headache, migraine, or your backache. Some are very life-threatening diseases, like your Alzheimer, cancer, Parkinson, and there are so many. People have been taking large number of medicines year after year, and they are quite tired of it. They go to the internet to look for solutions. But in the internet, it contains huge amount of information. They are totally confused. Because of this huge information, there are different schools of thought. Some thoughts are conflicting. Then there are different therapies. So, they are not able to make a proper judgment. But there is a solution. There is a proper way. There is a better way. But the information is so huge that they are unable to get the right solution. So here in this Health Umbrella project, we are trying to solve this problem, to ease this problem, so that a common man get the right way for him or her. I am a teacher, so I would like to take the help of blackboard or the green board to explain to you briefly about our Health Umbrella project. So here is a list of chronic diseases, starting with migraine, and there are some serious diseases as well. For each of these diseases, a person can try different therapies. So it is a list of some of the therapies here, starting with allopathy, then Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani, yoga, fasting, acupressure, nutrition, herbal medicine, meditation, urine therapy, and so on. Presently, we are working with 30 different therapies. For each of these therapies, there is lot of information given by the common man in different platforms. There are different sources, like YouTube testimonials. Now in YouTube testimonials, there is a video, and the video is followed by a large number of comments. Then there are websites, social media, Quora, WhatsApp, blogs, books, articles in newspapers and magazines, PhD theses, research papers, and so on. So the information is huge and scattered in all different sources. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to collect all these important testimonials, data from all these different sources. After collecting it, we cherry pick them. That means the most important ones, we put it over onto this head with a very important, and that is with a identification number. So here every case is having a identification number. So even after 10 years, 15 years, 50 years, one can identify the case with a number, and that number is same. So that particular important case history is not lost. When we do this exercise, after that, for each of these heads, we find out a summary. Like, summary of the YouTube testimonials that you can see, that will be visible in the website. Then we make a summary of all these summaries. That is, here we make a summary, so that will be summary of homeopathy for migraine. Similarly, we can make summary for Ayurveda for migraine. So that will help a person to see how that particular therapy is effective for a particular disease. Then we make a total summary of all. So total summary of that particular disease. So it will be very much useful. If one can go to pathy and wants to see that which are the diseases which are more, which are better for that particular pathy, so you can see the list of diseases as well. At the same time, there are a lot of clinics and groups working for that pathy. Like for acupressure, there are a lot of groups which are working for acupressure. Lot of groups are working for diet. So that listing also you can see. So this is in nutshell about our Health Umbrella project. Now, as you see that this is a huge project, this is a huge database, and we are collecting it, we are selecting it, and then organizing them systematically under different heads and summarizing them so that you can get very concretely, in a very summarized manner, the essence of this huge information, and from there you can select the right therapy for your disease. So this is what the whole our Health Umbrella project is about.